Hello students, myself Deepak Zade. Today in this lecture we will solve problem of general force system, right? Theory we have discussed in previous lectures. How to find out resultant of this force system? Method is what? So first we will find out Rx, Ry, R and theta. How many forces are acting? 200 Newton inclined, 80 Newton vertical, 100 Newton horizontal and 40 Newton vertical. That means only one force is inclined. First step is what? We'll find out its inclination. अभी what is given, ये जो है ना 3 vertical 4 horizontal means something like this. See here, ये 3 है, this one is 4, ये 3, this one is 4 and say this one is a triangle, right? ये जो angle है angle alpha, if you want to find out, means this angle alpha, or you can say this angle is what? Alpha, right? Opposite to angle is what? 3. Adjacent is what? 4. That means tan of this angle alpha is opposite upon adjacent. चलो tan inverse of 3 by 4 how much? Less than 45 था. This is 36.869 आता है. We'll take what? 87. Now can you resolve this 200 Newton force? So its force is of push type. The horizontal component will get what? Push means towards, right? Vertical component of 200 again towards means push type, right? Nature of given force and nature of components remains same. Angle is given with horizontal. Angle alpha is with horizontal. Horizontal component becomes what? Cos. This component is what? 200 cos alpha is what? 36.87. Angle is given with horizontal. Horizontal component cos, vertical component sine. That means this one is what? 200 sine 36.87. Other forces are horizontal and vertical. Whenever we will find out resultant, first step is what? Rx, Ry, R theta, which one easily we can find out. And then we will see next part, how to represent it with respect to point A. It is second part. Along x-axis, what forces are acting? 200 cos of 36.87, rightward means positive. And there is horizontal force is what? 100 Newton. That means Rx, if we will find out, what is the formula of Rx? Simply will add all components along x-axis assuming rightward force is positive. So this component is what? 200 cos 36.87. Rightward means what? Positive. That 100 Newton is also rightward means plus what? 100. All your in calculator. What is the answer? Tell me patapat. Rx how much? I already calculated 260 Newton. It is what? 260. Answer positive means what? Rightward. Next one is what? Ry. Ry I will find out. So we will add all components in vertical direction. Sign convention is what? Upward means positive. We check करो 40 Newton जो है it is upward plus. Next 80 Newton downward means what? Minus 80. Component of 200 downward means what? Minus 200 sine of 36.87. That means what is value of Ry? ये 160, 120, 80 वगैरह आना चाहिए, right? नहीं, this one is minus 120 हो जाएगा and minus 40. Minus 160 चेक करो. Is it minus 160? Minus 160 Newton. Negative sign represents what? This component acts in downward direction. Now Rx rightward, Ry downward means resultant is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. The quadrant without fail you have to represent. This component is what? Rx. Other component is what? Ry. And resultant are inclined at an angle of theta. Magnitude of resultant, how will find out? All you know, will apply what? Pythagoras theorem. Rx square plus ry square. Means root of rx is what? 260 square plus ry is what? 160. इसका square. Find out what is the magnitude of r. 260 square plus 160 square, 305.28 Newton. All you are getting same answer. This is magnitude of resultant. Angle, how will find out? Tan of angle is what? Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite क्या है? ry. Adjacent is what? rx. Means theta is what? Tan inverse of ry upon rx. Tan inverse of ry क्या है? 160. rx is what? 260. Means theta angle comes out to be how much? How much you are getting angle theta? 31.6 degree आता है क्या? चेक करो. I am getting 31.6 degree. Up to this step what we have done? Magnitude and direction of resultant आ गए, right? Next जो है determine resultant force and locate with respect to point A. Means with respect to point A, this resultant acts on which side and what is the distance. That means what we'll do? We'll apply Varignon's theorem. With respect to point A is asked, therefore we'll take moments about point A. First we'll take sum of moments of all forces and then we'll decide how we'll get position of resultant. That means next step is what? Sum of moments of all forces about point A equal to. अभी here there is a twist in the problem. जो paper setter था, right? What he has done such things so that you will get confused and will get wrong answer. All distances check करो. mm, millimeter, right? One couple is there. A Newton meter है. Units different हो जाएगा ना. If you take moment of forces about point A, तो your answer will be Newton mm. And a couple is in Newton meter. So you will get wrong answer. Therefore, one option is what? You convert it into Newton mm and keep distances as it is, or distances will take in meter, so you will get moment of force in Newton meter. So 300 mm is how many meters? 0.3, right? This one again 0.3. This one is how much? 0.2. एक मीटर में 1000 mm होता है ना, ये तो सबको पता रहेगा ना. 0.2 मीटर and this is also what? 0.2 meter. ये movement center है, right? While finding moment at a time, concentrate on only one force. देखो, we'll start from this 200. Inclined force है, already you are getting what? Components. So we'll take moment of each component. देखो, moment about point A due to horizontal component. तो line of action of force कैसा है? Horizontal. This is the line of action of force, horizontal. Means perpendicular distance vertical, 0.2 meter. Direction of movement of 200 cos 36.87 about point A is what? How will decide? Best technique is what? I already told in our previous lectures. Join this point to this point. Assume this one as a rod. Hold it at point A. Means ये ऐसा कुछ rod हो जाएगा. About point A will hold. ऐसा, right? ये point A है, right? This one is point A. This one is a point where force is acting. Direction of component कैसा है? Rightward. If we'll apply force, how this will rotate? Clockwise. How this will rotate about point A? ऐसा clockwise. Means what? Minus 200 cos 36.87. Force horizontal, perpendicular distance vertical means what? 0.2. Moment of vertical component about A. So imagine this one is a rod, inclined rod, and A is something here. Here force is acting in downward direction. How this will rotate again? Clockwise. Minus 200 sin 36.87 distance. लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करने का. ये लाइन ऑफ एक्शन है, राइट? ये मोमेंट सेंटर है. मीन्स विच इज द डिस्टेंस, फोर्स जो है वर्टिकल है, लाइन ऑफ एक्शन वर्टिकल, perpendicular distance horizontal 0.3 plus 0.3 how much 0.6 meter means 200 sin 36.87 into 0.6, right? Moment of 80 about A again clockwise minus 80 into line of action of force vertical perpendicular distance horizontal 0.3, then moment of 100 about A, तो रॉड ऐसा पकड़ो, होल्ड इट एट ए, फोर्स इज एक्टिंग हियर, दैट मीन्स इट रोटेट्स इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, माइनस, राइट, माइनस 100 इंटू लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स है ना हॉरिजॉन्टल, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस वर्टिकल, वर्टिकल हाउ मच 0.2, ऑल आर गेटिंग दिस वन 0.2. सी हियर 200 cos 200 sin, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है कि क्लॉकवाइज है, चेक करो. मोमेंट ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट अबाउट ए, लिसन हियर, ये ऐसा है, राइट, फोर्स इज एक्टिंग लाइक दिस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, वर्टिकल फोर्स एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, दैट मीन्स मोमेंट ऑफ बोथ द कंपोनेंट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज पॉजिटिव रहता है, राइट. देन मोमेंट ऑफ 80 इज व्हाट, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, प्लस मोमेंट ऑफ 100 क्लॉकवाइज, here what we'll do, we'll find out now moments of all forces about point A, because resultant जो force है you have to locate it with respect to point A. Already there are components in movement center, तो moment of horizontal component about A if you'll find out, technique is what, where force is acting this corner, where moment center A means ये जो two locations से if you'll join, तो आपका एक imaginary rod हो जाएगा, this is point A, this is a corner where force is acting. Horizontal component cos component है, if I'll apply how this pen marker will rotate anti-clockwise. Due to vertical component how marker will rotate anti-clockwise, means what, anti-clockwise movement. So movement of 200 cos 36.87 is anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise means positive, right, into what is the distance, तो ये जो है दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स, ये मूवमेंट सेंटर में दिस डिस्टेंस इज परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस, फोर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल, डिस्टेंस वर्टिकल, डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट 0.2. मूवमेंट ऑफ वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट अबाउट है अगेन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, ये लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स है, दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स, ये मूवमेंट सेंटर है, मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा हॉरिजॉन्टल, फोर्स वर्टिकल, डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टल हाउ मच 0.3 प्लस 0.3 0.6, means moment of vertical component becomes what 200 sin 36.87 into what distance 0.6, 0.6, ये कितना था 40 न्यूटन ना, this force is 40, हाँ हो गया moment of two forces. See here, moment of 80 about A is easy, anti clockwise, force vertical, distance horizontal means plus 80 into 0.3, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट है, मूवमेंट ऑफ 40 न्यूटन अबाउट है अगेन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज प्लस 40, व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस, फोर्स वर्टिकल, ये मूवमेंट सेंटर है, दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स, तो ये डिस्टेंस आपका परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हाउ मच 0.2, मूवमेंट ऑफ 100 न्यूटन अबाउट है क्लॉकवाइज माइनस 100 इंटू लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल ना, तो ये डिस्टेंस आपका परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हाउ मच 200 mm मीन्स व्हाट 0.2, 100 into 0.2. सी मूवमेंट ऑफ ऑल फोर्सेस वी हैव टेकन, राइट, 200 साइन 200 कॉस हो गए पहले, देन 80 का हुआ, देन 40 का हुआ एंड देन 100 का हुआ. अभी एक कपल है, कैसा है कपल, क्लॉकवाइज, क्लॉकवाइज मीन्स व्हाट माइनस 40. चेक करो तो सम ऑफ मूवमेंट्स हाउ मच विल गेट, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ ऑल फोर्सेस, 76 आता है क्या पॉजिटिव, 76 न्यूटन मीटर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट, ये हो गया. नाउ रिजल्टेंट हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट, फॉर दैट वन I will represent this one, Rx how much you are getting, I'll write here. ये 260 न्यूटन, this is what, ये है 160 न्यूटन and R is what, 305.28, theta is what, 31.6. ठीक है, because I'll erase this part now. ठीक है, some space is required for explanation कि how we'll get position of resultant. Whenever we'll represent position of resultant, important क्या रहता है, direction of sum of moment and direction of moment of resultant must be same. तो direction of sum of moment एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है. अभी एक प्लेट आपका कुछ ऐसा प्लेट है, राइट, ये आपका हुआ प्लेट. ओके, पॉइंट ए जो है इज समवेयर हियर, दिस इज माय पॉइंट ए. रिजल्टेंट इज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. Means resultant with respect to you have to represent in same direction, not in direction. Therefore, a quadrant important रहता है. क्या क्या possibility? Always there are two possibility कि ये जो resultant है with respect to point A, ये angle 31 है, जिससे कुछ ऐसा resultant आ सकता है R, केस नंबर 1, और ये resultant इधर भी आ सकता है, infinite position हो सकता है above point A, same direction, right? 31.6 degree पे downward of fourth quadrant or lower side. Now what you have to do कि what is the direction of movement of this resultant which one I represented above point A. इसका movement क्या आएगा, clockwise क्या anti clockwise? ये तो डायरेक्शन clockwise आएगा. movement of, ये करेक्ट ना, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ केस नंबर 1 clockwise डायरेक्शन. Movement of resultant what I represented in case 2, ये कैसा आएगा, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. तो which one will select? सम ऑफ मूवमेंट का डायरेक्शन क्या है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो विल सिलेक्ट व्हाट, दिस रिजल्टेंट which one is on lower side where movement is what, anti clockwise. That means this case is not valid. Now I'll represent ये जो रिजल्टेंट है, I'll represent properly कि हाँ this one is what, ये आपका रिजल्टेंट. अभी मूवमेंट ऑफ एनी फोर्स इज व्हाट, फोर्स इनटू परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. मींस कैन यू से फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए इफ आई ड्रॉ अ लाइन व्हिच वन इज व्हाट, परफेक्ट परपेंडिकुलर एंड से दिस डिस्टेंस इज डी, तो मूवमेंट ऑफ आर अबाउट ए इज व्हाट, आर इनटू डी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ये है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दैट मीन्स अप्लाइंग वेरिग्नॉन्स थ्योरम, व्हाट विल अप्लाई, वेरिग्नॉन्स थ्योरम, ये आर है, राइट. applying Varignon's theorem of movement, right. क्या रहता है Varignon's theorem? Sum of movement about this which point A you are taken, right, taking anti-clockwise movement positive equal to what, movement of resultant about same point A taking anti-clockwise movement positive. Sum of movement is what, 76 से positive है anti-clockwise. Movement of resultant also anti-clockwise, तो R into what, D. R is what, 305.28 into D. That means D is what, 76 upon 305.28. What distance you are getting, D? Less than 1 meter, na? How much distance? 0.248 something you will get. 0.248 meters. This one clear? Movement part must be clear, right? Movement is very very important. ये अगर movement center लिया तो how will take movement? While taking movement, always concentrate at a time on only one force, right? And direction of movement how will decide, we already discussed, right? So maybe clockwise, maybe anti-clockwise movement. Then resultant when you will represent, direction of sum of movement and direction of movement of resultant must be same. To what you are getting, point of application. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Bye bye.